What's the meaning of beat? Beat. Beat.
Beat. Beat. The word beat can have a variety of meanings, depending on the context. It can refer to the rhythmic pulse or tempo in music, as well as to physical action, such as striking or hitting something repeatedly. In a figurative sense, beat can describe feeling exhausted, defeated or depressed, as in the expression to beat down. It can also mean to surpass or outdo something or someone, as in to beat one's own record. Additionally, beat is used to describe the patrol area of a police officer or the location of a journalist assigned to cover a specific area or topic.